Kung mahilig kayo sa desserts, eto talaga para sa inyo. Kasi hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa, pero tatlong favorite desserts natin into one recipe. Kaya, let's start baking.
Simpol, simpol, luto na, ha, ha.
So, yung gagawin natin today, ube custard cake topped with macapuno. So, yung una natin gagawin yung ating caramel or yung ating arnibal. So, we have here 1 cup of white sugar, granulated sugar, and we are using also 1/4 cup of water. So, drizzle around. Dapat malinis na malinis yung ating pan, ha? And we turn on our heat, no? So, dahan-dahan lang. Don't mix or don't shake your pan. So, look at that. Our sugar is already beginning to melt. And as soon as it begins to turn amber or nagbo-brown na siya all over, yeah, that's the time that you can swirl it a little bit until masiguro mo na it's even colored syrup. Almost like mahogany yung kulay niya, no? And now, I will just drizzle it, cover the bottom of my baking pan, no? So we just put that aside and let it cool down completely. So let's make our leche flan. So you can use 6 extra large eggs or 8 regular sized eggs. No? So large, medium to large. And we will just combine our egg yolks and our condensed milk. Mix. Very rich, no? Yan. You can also use a whisk. Pero we don't want to incorporate too much air into this mixture dahil we don't want our leche flan to have bubbles. I will just add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I will set that aside, and now I will start to make my cake mixture. So we start off by sifting together our dry ingredients. Ito siya, ating flour, baking powder, salt of course, and our white sugar. Sift everything together, yeah, to make sure there are no lumps. So let's just mix that together and make sure that all the ingredients are evenly combined. And we make a well, no? Very important. You make a well in the center, and we will add our egg yolks. So ito, this is our thick batter, no? And we will also add 1/4 cup of golden Fiesta cooking oil to give it some moisture and richness, water, and of course, our ube flavor and color. And we will just mix our batter. So that's our batter base. Very basic mix. But now, we will work on our meringue, no? So, our egg foam. So, we have here 4 egg whites. Yan. And we will also add cream of tartar. So, ito, stabilizer. If you don't have cream of tartar, pwede konting suka, no? Same, or lemon juice. We start in a medium speed. As soon as you see that egg foam rising, it's time to add our sugar. But we will add it little by little. Huwag nating madaliin again. Konti na lang. You will notice also when you're looking at your mixer, makikita mo yung mixer mo, pumoporma na yung mga, naiiwan na streaks of egg whites. And let's check our egg whites. And look at that, no? Very nice, stiff peaks. Tingnan mo. Kahit baliktarin natin, tumatayo pa rin yung ating meringue. And what we do now, we will combine our 2 mixtures. 1/3 of my egg foam to my batter. Look at that, no? Now, I will add my last batch of the meringue. It's becoming lighter and lighter. Deflate the meringue for our cake will be very light, no? And now is the time to assemble our cake. And now, we're ready to put everything together. So, we have our caramel layer. Ito, very nice, very shiny. And now is the time that we will add our custard or leche flan mixture. Kaya it's very important to have the egg foam in these recipes because, di ba yung bubbles parang logo? So when you put it on top, the custard, lulutang siya at hindi siya maghalo-halo, di ba? Again, you still have to be very gentle in adding your cake, no? So ito siya, maliligo na yung ating pan in hot water dito sa ilalim so that it will regulate the heat. Hindi mag-overheat. Di ba parang kotse, hindi mag-overheat yung leche flan natin kasi boiling temperature lang siya dito while the cake on top will be hotter sa ating oven. So, what I will do now, I will put it into my oven and bake it until it's done. Around 45 to 50 minutes. Ingat-ingat lang. And our ube custard cake is done. What I will do, I will just add my macapuno. Perfect dessert, no? Filipino dessert. I hope you try this recipe and make someone happy and make this ube custard cake with macapuno simple.